Hi guys, if you have Xfinity and you want Peacock without paying again, this guide will show you how you can link your account. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Xfinity plan includes Peacock access. Customers with eligible internet or TV plans can activate Peacock directly through their account. So this step is really very important because access depends on your subscription. Now, once you have it, you just have to simply launch the Peacock application on your TV, phone, or streaming device. Now, when you are here on the Peacock's website, you just have to click on this sign in button on the get started button, and then you just have to simply provide your account credentials and then log in into your account and activate your account. So when you are inside, you just have to select the option to sign in using a provider. So inside it, you just have to simply choose Xfinity from the list, and this is going to link your Peacock access to your Xfinity subscription. You will be then redirected to the Xfinity login page. So there you need to enter the Xfinity ID and the password and then approve the connection. Once verified, your Peacock account will be activated automatically. On some devices, you will get an activation code. So you can go to the official Peacock activation page on your phone or browser. Then you can sign in with Xfinity and enter that code, and your device will refresh and log you in instantly. So this method works across most of the devices and it takes just a few minutes to complete. So thank you.